Fear is always one of three things. It's either the fear of rejection, the fear of inadequacy, in other words, you don't think you have the skills, tools, or knowledge to do something, or the fear of powerlessness. Well, the solutions are simple. If you feel stress, ask yourself, is it rejection, inadequacy, powerlessness? If it's rejection, that's self-esteem work. If it's inadequacy, that's the easiest one. Go become an expert. Go read a book, go take a class. You're just lacking some information. The one that's the most difficult, the most stressful, is powerlessness. Well, this comes from people saying yes to things they want to say no to. So the simple trick is to learn to say no, and I'm going to show you a quick way to do it. The next time you go anywhere, how about a restaurant? What is the first question they ask you? Would you like a glass of water? This time I want you to go, you know what? Let me think about it. I'll get back to you. See, that's not a yes or no, that's a maybe. Now, maybe you can move past that. The other option is to go, you know what? Not right now. Let them go off. Think about it. And when they come back, if you want that water, you can say yes. But at least you get to learn how to start saying no and not feeling so powerless. Those 3 tips will help you move past the facade of stress.